QR code is a quick response code. It's a type of the matrix barcode or two-dimensional barcode which is invented in 1994 by a Japanese automotive company. QR code is used to hide the information in the form of the barcode or and which is going to be represented in the form of the matrix itself. The information which is stored in the form of the QR is cannot be read by the user easily. So this is basically used to hide the information or is used to give the quick response to the user. Simply we have to scan it with the help of the QR code scanner, and thus we will get the all the information in our device itself. So now we are going to see how to create this QR code, and then we will see how to embed this code in your form and how we can retrieve the information from the QR code, that is how we can scan this. So basic requirement for this, we must have some link to obtain the QR code. So we are just trying for our a registration form which we are created, that is we are going to create a QR code for our registration form. So here we have to initially we have to obtain the link for which we are going to obtain the QR code. The basic question comes to the mind that why we are going to create this QR code. If we are providing the QR code, then the user can easily scan the particular code. In that case, no need to give the link to the user. By just scanning the QR code, the user can easily get the desired the desired link. We will check it. So we are going to obtain the link of this. So we are just sorting this, or we can take the whole link and just we have to make the copy of this link. Now what we have to do, we have to go to the Google and we have to go to the Google, and here we have to enter QR code generator. That is the completely free free site for generating the QR code. So we are giving the free QR code generator. In this we have to use this first one, that is the QR code generator site, which is basically used and that will be the useful for creating the three different type of the URL or the QR code. First one is that is the free text. Suppose we are giving any text, for that we will get the QR code. To the right side we are getting the desired QR code for the string which we are providing in this text box. Second one is the URL. Just like we had taken the URL for this registration form, so we will enter our uh, link of the feedback form or the registration form in the URL portion. In the just when we are pressing writing here the code, this code will be changed automatically. Next one is the third one is the contact detail. Suppose I have to give my details in the form of the QR code. In that case I will use this contact. Here we can give this name, organization name, email, phone number, cell number, all the information. Just suppose I want to embed this information in the form, so I can give, or I can write the first name, organization, email, all the information here, and depend upon the information which we are filling, we will get the code here. Now we are trying for the URL. So here we are getting this, we are entering the URL code. We can also make the shorten URL with the help of this, but we had already created, or we had already get the shorten URL. We are not going to uh, create the shorten URL right now. What we have to do after generating this code, just click on this save button, and here you have to write the name of the file itself. This will be the file means that is going to generate your QR code. So we are giving the registration QR code. So we have to just save it. Now a QR code for our registration is obtained. Now the next question comes to the mind, that how we can check the particular QR code is working or not. So now we will go to the barcode reader, that is nothing but the QR code generator. In this in this site specifically we get the two different facilities. First one for the barcode type, that is here we are getting the six different types of the facilities by which we can scan to the particular QR code. We have a QR code, so we will select this QR code. The first barcode we will remove it. Now next second option is to select the particular image which for which we have to obtain the desired string from this. So we are selecting the select image file. So this is registration QR code, just we are selecting it, and after selecting this, third point is just read it. So we got this link. Just we have to, what we have to do, we have to just do the copy, select it, right, just do the right click. Here we got the third option as go to HTTP form this and this. Just click here and your registration form or the desired link which is embedded encoded there, this will be started. So the first here we get the registration form timing this from event timing for August 1st to 5. So same form is started here. So this is the simplest way to generate the code. Now next questions comes to the mind, how to embed this particular code here. So now we are going to see how to embed our QR code in the registration form. So this is the registration form of our event, and in this we had already given a link for the registration, but along with the registration link we want to give the or we want to embed the QR code in this registration form so that the user can easily scan it, and the user will enter the registration detail in that. So we have to insert the image. So before this we have to insert the a text box here, and in the text box we are going to insert the image. So we are just selecting in this portion, and here we are going to insert the picture. So so that will be embedded here, and just make the PDF of this file. This will give you the QR, the registration form and the QR code in the single leaflet or in the single brochure. This is the simple process to embed here, and we had already seen how to create the QR code from the link, how we can embed in this. So this is nothing but our PDF form which is created. At the bottom right side we had created or inserted the QR code. So the user now can start the registration form by selecting this, or just he or she will take the or scan the QR code, and that will start the registration form simply. Next, suppose we can also create the URL of any other site. Suppose just like our we are going to our YouTube channel, and here we are just copying our the YouTube URL. So we are going to make the barcode the QR code generator for our site itself. So we have to select it, go to the URL, and the URL just we have to paste it. So our YouTube code is created, or the YouTube code, the QR code is generated in the right side. We have to just give your name and just save it. That is saved in the. Now we are going to check it. So in this side we have to just click on the new file. Here we have to now next we have to select the particular barcode of which, or the QR code of which we are going to obtain the link. So we are selecting the QR code. The barcode is same as that of the QR code. So here we are going to select this next URL, that is of the or the second QR code, and we have to third option is the read option. So our work is finished. Here we are getting the code. Just select this particular code, make the right click, and third option is go to HTTP channel. So this will start the link for which your QR code is generated. So we are getting the link for which we had created the QR code. So this is the simplest method by which we can create a QR code. Same for we can create for the free text. Suppose we have a certain text of data of which we want to create the text. Suppose we have a, suppose we are giving this only this information and just save it, and here just we are giving this information. So of this information this particular QR code is created, and suppose we are getting just a writing with or saving with this sample, just save it. So of this information we had created the QR code, and we can give the QR code, or we will check what the information is going to be or what the information is stored in that particular QR code. So for that we have to extract the information with the help of the barcode reader or the QR code reader. So for that we have to select the new file here. So we are selecting the file with the help of the second option, that is select image file, and here we are going to select this sample itself and then click on the read option. It will take the time depend upon the size of the URL which is provided to for conversion. So finish. So at the bottom we are getting the information that timing, event timing is August 1 to 5 2021, address is Nagpur, and contact us there. What we put there, we put this text, and that is obtained with the free text, which means that we have a 10-page material we can give here, and we can give just the barcode to the user that just scan it and just read it. So this is the simplest method of for hiding the information. No one can see, thus those who are having this particular code, the particular persons can only just read to this or can easily retrieve the information. This is so simple. This is can be created with the help of the QR code generator, and this information can be retrieved with the help of the online barcode reader or the QR code reader. Same with the contact details. Suppose we are giving the information or the contact details here, so we can easily create our contact detail information, that is in the form of the QR code itself. This is all about the QR code generator. Thank you for watching the video. Hope so you like this. Please subscribe the channel and don't forget to share the video. Thank you.